Welcome to Sikho.ai. Introducing NAD Plus and the Science of Aging, optimizing cellular health for longevity. Unlock the secrets of NAD Plus, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a vital coenzyme, to understand its profound impact on cellular health, energy metabolism, DNA repair, and the aging process. This intermediate-level course explores the biochemistry of NAD+, why its levels decline with age, and evidence of its crucial role in health. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1, NAD+ Fundamentals, Biochemistry, Metabolism, and Core Cellular Roles. Module 2, NAD+ Decline, Aging, and Strategies for Longevity. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.